Fan hyn, mae tîm bobsleigh Prydain yn ymarfer.
Bobsleigh? Sdim rew yma.
Sdim angen rhew I ymarfer. Sut?
O, oedd yna'n gyflym.
Mae'r bobsleigh'n gallu cyrraedd cyflymder o 83 milltir yr awr ar gyfer taled, ac yn ôl pob sôn, y record answyddogol ydy 125 milltir yr awr.
Cyflym afferyglis hefyd. O, fi'n nerfus.
Ond, da ni mewn dwylo da. Yn hyfforddi Lloyd a fi heddiw, mae athletwyr bobsleigh Prydain, Mika Moore a Luke Dawes.
Mae'r ddau yn chi wedi cystadlu yn broffesiynol. Sut brofiad ydi o?
It's probably one of the most crazy things I've ever done. It's super fast, it's super scary, and it's super powerful, and I love it.
The closest that anyone else can get to it is obviously going on a roller coaster and probably shutting their eyes. Because when you're in the back of a bobsleigh, you can't see, so you're just in that position where you're looking at the floor and all you can hear is the wind going past you, or you're upside down and your head's whacking against the ice.
Ydych chi dal yn mynd yn nerfus cyn cystadlu?
I am probably one of the most nervous people in bobsleigh. So when I'm at the top of a track, I try and imagine I'm somewhere like Disneyland or something.
So ydych chi'n gallu rhoi unrhyw tips I fi a Lloyd cyn mynd I wneud o?
I would say give it as much power and effort at the top of the track because that'll give you enough speed at the bottom of the track when you get in, and make sure you're smiling and enjoying it all the way.
Just be aggressive, hit it, and you'll get a good time going down. Just enjoy it.
Ni newydd cael ein hyfforddi. Sut ti'n teimlo?
Dwi'n teimlo'n hyderus achos ti'n dod I arfer efo fo, dweud. Be amdanoch chdi ta?
Ie, ar ôl ymarfer, fi'n teimlo lot mwy cyfforddus, a fel dweddon nhw, mae'n bwysig bod ni'n dal ar y cefn a paid o gadael fynd nes bod ni'n mewn actual sled I fe.
Ie. Dwi'n meddwl ni gael cystadleuaeth.
Ta?
So nawn ni bwysio fo, a mae rhaid ni neidio yn yr un lle, a wedyn pa bynnag sy'n mynd gyflyma sy'n ennill I cystadleuaeth.
Offa ni te. O, 7.1 eiliad. Mae hwnna mynd I bod yn anodd I giro. Waw.
Pump 93. Mae hwnna'n gyflym.
So you've done the bobsleigh, great job. It's now time to try the skeleton.
Nes I ddim dweud dim byd am sgerbwd.
Do'n ni ddim yn gwybod chwaith?
Barod?